Welcome my channel. This is Education. Myself Surendra Kumar, lecturing mathematics. Today I will discuss the topic integrals of the form integrations of exponential function e to power x of f of x plus f of x of dx. Okay. First of all, this type of questions is very important for the board exams. Okay. So firstly, the formula is here. In the exponential function e to power of x, f of x plus f of x of x. This value equals to, in the answer is e to power x f of x plus of c. C the integration constant. First of all, it is a formula. This formula I prove it. Okay, proof of this formula is okay. Let I equals to I the integral, okay, integrations of e to power x in the f of x plus f of x dx. It is a given factor. Okay, alright. Now this implies I equals to, in the exponential function in the outside the brackets, then put this in the bracket e to power x, then separate the integration value. E to power x dx is the first factor, e to power x f of x dx is the factor, plus integration of e to power x f of x dx is the second factor. So in this factor is constant. Assume this factor is constant. So this two factor by the formula of Euler of integration by parts used in this form. Okay. In the Euler formula, firstly inverse trigonometric function, secondly logarithm function, thirdly algebraic functions, and fourth one is trigonometric functions, is the exponential function. So first of all, choose which the first function, which the second function. The firstly, this factor remain constant. This factor remain constant. Okay. Nextly, in this first functions, here choose which is the first function, which the second function. Here exponential functions is the last priority of the Euler formula. So e to power x is the second function. So obviously f of x is the first function. So by the integration by parts formula, first function remain constant. That means f of x is constant. So f of x is constant, and integration of exponential function is exponential function remain. Okay, e to power x minus first function derivative that means f of x derivative is f of x in the integral value e to power x of dx plus in the remain constant factor is here put a e to power of x f of x dx. So here the factor is this constant, here plus minus of this, here plus c. So I equals to in the integral value is f of x e to power x f of x plus c in the results. This is a proof of this formula. Okay. In this format, I am some questions solve it. So question number 1: if integrations of e to power f of x in a bracket 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So in the bit of short type of questions or 3 mark questions, if the short type of question, the simple trick are here. In the 3 mark questions, put in this formula, prove this, then this used into the format. So first of all, this question answer e to power of x, the 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Actually your answer is e to power x 1 by x plus c. But this is not a procedure. Okay, procedure is here. Put this part in the derived function. Okay, derived part. So now this value equals to multiplying the value integration of e to power of x 1 by x dx minus integration of exponential function 1 by x square dx. Okay, so in the form this function remain constant because the derivative part remain constant, because we know that the derivative of 1 by x is minus of 1 by x square. So here factor is minus 1 by x square. So it is obviously f(x). Okay, so this part equals to here exponential function 1 by x. 1 by x is the algebraic part. The exponential function Euler formula is last priority, so that it is the second function. 1 by x is the first function. Okay, in the first function remain constant by parts. 1 by x remain constant. The multiple of e to power x is the second function. Integration is also e to power of x minus in the first function derivative. That means 1 by x, the derivative is minus of 1 by x square. Other integral value e to power of x dx minus here e to power of x 1 by x square of dx. Okay. So this value, that is the lat of I that means integral value. So this factor equals to here e to power of x by x minus plus integration of e to power of x square of dx minus of e to power of x by x square dx. In the plus factor and minus factor cancel out. These two factors cancel out. So value is here e to power x by x plus of c, your answer. That is the answer. In the shortcut procedure of this type, suppose one more question of your board, so that put this function equals to e to power of x f of x plus c, your answer. So here e to power x 1 by x is the first function, so value is e to power x plus c, your answer. Okay. Another question, very most important questions. Question is, in the exponential function e to power of x sin x plus of cos of x, answer, let I equals to integration e to power of x sin x plus cos of x. Your answer is here e to power x sin x, because in the derivative sin x, derivative cos x is the plus value, so that sin x derivative cos x. So here first function is e, that is the f of x, that is the f(x). Okay. So first multiplying in the bracket in the exponential function e to power of x sin x dx is the first factor plus integral value of e to power x cos of x dx. Okay. So this factor remain constant because in the derivative part of sin x is cos x, so it is the f(x) part. So this part is remain constant. So this value equals to, in the Euler formula, exponential function and trigonometric functions. Euler formula, exponential function and trigonometric function. First priority the trigonometric function, so that trigonometric function is the first function, exponential function is the last function or second function. So in the second integration by parts, first function remain constant, that means sin x is remain constant. Then integration of e to power x, here e to power x minus derivative of first function derivative is sin x, derivative is cos of x in the integral value of e, plus e to power of x cos of x. This value equals to exponential function sin x minus integration e to power x cos of x dx plus integration e to power x cos of x dx. So this value is minus and this value is plus. Cancel out this factor. Okay. Now this implies I equals to e to power x sin x plus c. This is the integration constant c factor plus. Okay. Another question I am solving. That is the very most important questions. Any competitive exam or any board exams. Question is sine in the sine log of x cos of log of x dx. It is a very most important questions. So first of all, let I equals to this factor sine log of x plus cos log of x. Okay. So first we put in the log of x equals to suppose t. In the both side putting exponential function both sides, e to power log x equals to here e to power t. So in the e to power log of x, variable here is x. So here answer is x equals to e to power t. So x is a function of t. So d by dt both sides, that means dx by dt equals to here e to power t. Now this implies dx equals to e to power dt. What is this value in these equations? Okay. Alright. So this integral value is now integrations sine of, that is the t factor, plus cos of t and e to power t dt. Okay. Alright. Now this value equals to e to power t sin t plus of integration dt plus e to power t cos of t dt. Okay. So this value equals to, in the sin t previous question I discussed, sin of x is the derivative is cos of x. So here sin t the variable, t the variable. So sin t derivative is cos of t. So that is the f(x) t part, that is the f of t part. So now this factor constant, this factor integration value is Euler formula. Exponential function is the second function and trigonometric function is the first function here. So sin of t is the first function constant remain. In the integral value of e to power t is e to power t minus of the derivative of sin of t is cos of t and integral value e to power t dt. Okay, plus e to power t cos of t dt. So now here minus factor of cos of t e dt, here this value cancel out. So your answer is here now I equals to e to power t sin t plus of c. See the integration constant. Now putting the value of t, this value equals implies that e log of x sin of log of x plus of c, this value equals to x sin log of x plus c, your answer. Today I will discuss the integral form of exponential functions of f of x plus f(x) x dx. Okay. Today I will discuss the topic integrals of the form in the exponential function e to power f of x plus f(x) x dx. Some problems were given to us and share my channels. So any problem or any doubts, comment my channels. Then I am trying to best of my knowledge. Then next video to solve it. Okay.